Good morning everyone. The last two class we learned the formation of a soil and the types of soil, different types of soil. Okay, types of soil in India. Everyone learned this map work. Okay, in the different types of soil where are they? Okay, in India, in which regions the different types of soil. And today we learned the soil erosion and conservation. Okay, soil erosion and conservation. सोइल हम एरोशन मीन्स कैसे इसको लॉस होता है, मीन्स कैसे इसका फर्टाइल सब जाता है वो भी, एंड कैसे इसको संभाल के रख सकता है. सी द सोइल एरोशन, टेक द नेक्स्ट पेज. सोइल एरोशन एंड कंजर्वेशन. सी often due to natural as well as human activities, the top layer of the soil gets worn away. See, the often due to the natural as well as the human activities. Naturally they washed away, and the human activities also. Okay, human activities say the top layer of the soil gets worn away. That this is known as soil erosion. So underline this point. Often due to natural as well as the human activities, the top layer of the soil worn away, means खराब होता है, means लेके जाता है, means wear away. Okay, worn away. That is called as soil erosion. See, here it is the point. Remembering the last point. See, the wearing away of the upper layer of soil is known as a soil erosion. Okay, the wearing away of the upper layer of the soil. Okay, so that is called as soil erosion. कैसे इसको worn away, wear away? See that one. Natural occurrence like a heavy rainfall. है ना? We know that the heavy rainfall होने से क्या हो रहेगा? What happened that one? Flood होएगा. Flood से the soil worn away. Okay, and excessive floods and strong wind corrode the top layer of the soil, resulting in soil erosion. So what are the function, what are the causes of the soil erosion? The first one is the natural occurrence. What are the natural occurrences? Heavy rains, floods and strong winds. Okay, natural occurrence is the natural disaster is the heavy rain, floods and strong wind. These three causes are the soil damaged and the soil worn away, washed away. And see the next one is the human activities. What are the human activities? Some human activities like a deforestation and land pollution cause soil erosion. Deforestation. So what is mean by a deforestation? Deforestation is the cutting the trees. हम लोग ट्रीज कट करने का टाइम क्या होता है, वो द रूट्स होल्ड द सोइल, द रूट्स ऑफ द ट्रीज होल्ड द सोइल, बट कटिंग द ट्रीज व्हाट हैपन, द सोइल बिकम लूज, है ना. एंड लैंड पोल्यूशन कॉज सोइल erosion, and the land pollution also cause the soil erosion. So what are the reasons of the soil erosion? The natural occurrence are heavy waterfall, heavy rainfall, flood and strong wind. And the human activities, that is deforestation and land pollution. Okay, हम लोग प्लास्टिक थिंग्स इधर उधर डाल लेगा, वो लैंड पोल्यूशन होता है. वेस्टेज वी आर बथ्रो हियर एंड देयर, so it becomes a land polluter. Okay, so these three, what are the natural occurrence like a heavy rainfall, flood, strong wind, and the natural human activities like a deforestation and land pollution. These are the things causes by the erosion. Okay, soil erosion. See, the roots of the plants hold to soil together. We know that the roots of the plants hold the soil together, है ना. उसका ट्रीज का रूट्स जाके क्या करेगा, सोइल को पकड़ के रखेगा. बट व्हेन ट्रीज आर कट डाउन, व्हाट हैपन देन, द सोइल बिकम लूज, है ना. दैट एरिया द सोइल बिकम लूज. सो होल्ड करने के लिए फिर रूट्स नहीं है, सो द सोइल बिकम लूज. This result in the soil getting easily worn away. इसलिए क्या होता है, उसको पकड़ के रखने के लिए नहीं है. So the soil easily worn away. Okay, washed away. As a result, the land become less fertile and unsuitable for growing crops. इसका result है soil erosion का result क्या है? What is the result of soil erosion? The soil become unfertile and unsuitable for growing crops. Okay, the result of the soil erosion is the soil become unfertile and it is unsuitable for farming. Clear? So this is the soil erosion. What is the soil erosion? What is mean by the soil erosion? The soil erosion due to natural occurrence or human activities, the top layer of the soil worn out. Okay, washed away. That is a soil erosion. What are the things causes to the soil erosion? The natural occurrence like a strong wind, floods, heavy rainfall, and the human activities like a deforestation and land pollution. Okay, so what is the result of the soil erosion? The soil become unfertile and it is unsuitable for farming. Okay, so this is a soil erosion and how we conserve it. हम लोग इसके लिए क्या करना है? So how we conserve here it is given the some points. See this one. There are a few ways through which we can control soil erosion and increase fertility of the soil. So here it is given the some ways. This way we can control soil erosion and increase the fertility of the soil. Okay, this method we follow it, we can control the soil erosion and we increase the fertility of soil. See the first point, plant more trees instead of cutting them down as this leads to deforestation. क्या करना है, ये डिफॉरेस्टेशन है. ओके, हम लोग कटिंग कितना ट्रीज कट करता है, वी प्लांट द सेम नंबर. ओके, सो प्लांट मोर ट्रीज इंस्टेड ऑफ कटिंग डाउन. The first point is plant more trees instead of cutting. See the second point, reduce land pollution by not throwing waste anywhere. The second point is reducing the land pollution, not throw the waste somewhere, anywhere. Okay, not throw the waste somewhere or anywhere, and this will reduce the land pollution. And the third one is chemical fertilizers should be avoided because they decrease soil fertility. The third point is we reduce the chemical fertilizers. Okay, the third point is we reduce the chemical fertilizers. This the use of chemical fertilizers decreases the soil fertility. Soil का fertility decrease होके जाता है. Okay, so we reduce the chemical fertilizers. And the fourth one is natural and organic fertilizers like manure and compost should be used. We reduce the chemical fertilizers and we use the compost or natural fertilizers, that is organic fertilizers. What are the organic and natural fertilizers? The manure and the compost. Okay, the manure and the compost we used. So these are the conservation of soil. What are the points? The first one is plant more trees when we cut the trees. Okay, instead of cutting the trees, that is deforestation. कितना होता है उतना हम लोग trees भी plant करना है. Second one is reduce land pollution. Land pollution reduce करना है because not throw the waste anywhere. Okay, and the third one is decrease the use of chemical fertilizers. Chemical fertilizers का use reduce करना. And the last one is we use a natural and organic manure or fertilizers or compost. Okay, these are the conservation and erosion of a soil. Okay.